All right, so very beautiful Saturday morning, you all. Take a good look at this out there. Just take a good look at this. That is what we are going to dive in this morning. So, Bybit x FXStreet TradFi report. Japan's historic leadership shift fuels Nikkei rally, weakens yen. But before then, these are the key highlights. These are the key highlights. Can you see them? Key highlights. Yeah. These are the key highlights, right? So let's go straight to the point right now. Political milestone shakes markets. Japan is undergoing a major political shift with significant market implications. Takaichi, a veteran lawmaker from the ruling Liberal Democratic Party (LDP), has won the party's leadership race and is now to become Japan's first female prime minister. This development comes amid a turbulent political background, and markets have already responded decisively. The yen plummeted on the news, breaking past 150 against the US dollar and reaching historic lows versus the euro. At the same time, the Nikkei 225 surged 4.8% to a new all-time high, while the broader topics gained 3.1%. Traders are adjusting to the possibility of looser monetary policy and more fiscal stimulus in the months ahead. A combination that spells weakness for the yen but strength for Japanese equities. The resignation of Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba on September 7 triggered an internal LDP contest. Takaichi emerged victorious in the runoff against Shinjiro Koizumi, who had been widely seen as the favorite. The win was described as a surprise by many political observers, but traders immediately priced in what it could mean for monetary policy. Takaichi is seen as a pro-growth candidate with a high tolerance for fiscal stimulus. She has pledged to ease pressure on households by cutting fuel taxes and has signaled a willingness to spend on domestic infrastructure if growth slows. So investors interpreted her stance as dovish betting markets, which had placed a 60% chance on a Bank of Japan rate hike in October, quickly revised their expectations downward. Odds of a near-term hike dropped to 24%, and the yen sold off sharply. Meanwhile, Japanese stocks benefited from the prospect of continued low interest rates and government spending. Near-term calendar, two key catalysts. Markets are now watching two important dates that could shape Japan's market trajectory in October. October 15th parliamentary confirmation. Takaichi's appointment must be formally approved by a vote in both houses of parliament. Although the LDP lost its outright majority in the lower house during the 2024 election, it remains the largest party. Political analysts expect the vote to pass with ease, making her Japan's new prime minister in mid-October. Now, October 29th to October 30th, Bank of Japan policy decision. This meeting is the real market mover. Prior to Takaichi's win, the BOJ was widely expected to deliver a hike in October. Now, consensus has shifted towards a delay, possibly until December. This shift in expectations has been the primary driver behind the yen's weakness and the stock rally. The BOJ's communication and guidance during this meeting will be crucial. Any signs that rate hikes are off the table for the rest of the year could further pressure the yen and lift risks assets. Conversely, if the central bank surprises with a hike, markets could sharply reverse course. The current interest rate in 0.5% and markets are now pricing in a likely hike to 0.75% in December. Now, USD/JPY. Crucial resistance test. The USD/JPY pair has broken above the psychological 150 level. A key area of resistance. Technical momentum is strong, with its RSI near 78, an area that has previously led to short-term pullbacks. Right, traders are watching closely to see if the pair can hold above 150 for a sustained period. A confirmed breakout could target the 153 to 155 range, while failure to hold could trigger a retreat back toward 146. Take a good look at this. image up there, right? South trading view. Now, Euro/Japan Yuan record highs test volatility. The EUR/JPY pair surged to a record high of 175, reflecting the yen's weakness. This marks the weakest level for the yen against the euro in modern history. The pair is trading with an RSI near the 70 level, suggesting that momentum may be stretched in the short term. More upside momentum could easily push the pair above the amazing level of 180. South trading view. Take a good look at this trading view. Yeah. Nikkei 225. Rally highs 50,000. Japanese equities have become a standout performer, with the Nikkei's 225 jumping nearly 5% on the political news and approaching the 48,000 mark. Investors are betting on a continuation of low rates and renewal fiscal spending under Takaichi's leadership. Technically, the 50,000 level is now in sight.